We will discuss now how to create a program in Python for search engine as a challenge in SoloLearn. You are working on a search engine watch, your pick Google. The given code takes text and word as input and passes them to the function called search. The search function should return word found if the word is present in the text, or word found if it's not found. So I write this code. I define the search function. This is the definition or the body of the function, and here we call the function. Okay, so I started with 4 variables. The first variable I and the 2 variables I and j for the counters for the while loops, the outer for the text and the inner for the word. Then I have 2 another variables, x and y, x for the length of the text and y for the length of the word. And then I started the inner loop, j not equal y. So if the first element in the word is equal the first element in the text, so I will increment both the 2 counters I and j. Else I will start the j from 0 and I just increment the I for the outer loop. Okay, if I greater than or equal x, which is the length of the sentence, so there is no word in this sentence and it will return word not found. But if this completed and this loop is completed, so this will finish at here and the word is found, so it will give or return word is found. If you like this video, please like it and write a good comment to encourage us to continue, and subscribe to the channel to receive every new video we upload. Thanks for watching.